In today's digital age, finding a balance between social media and real-life experiences is crucial. To stay away from the allure of social media, one can adopt a few simple strategies. Firstly, set aside designated offline time for reading books, which not only expands knowledge, but also fosters imagination. Secondly, prioritize spending quality time with friends by organizing outings or engaging in shared hobbies. Lastly, establish clear boundaries with social media usage, such as limiting screen time or deleting certain apps altogether. By consciously redirecting attention to books and genuine human connections, we can cultivate a more fulfilling and meaningful life.